Hey, how's everybody doing? I'm Luke. This is my 18-foot John boat. It's an 1852. Just started stripping it down. Here, let me switch the camera around so you can. So it had a console over there, and we moved it. We took the control box off, the steering cable out. I'm gonna pull all these seats out. It has too many seats. The last owner used it for a lot of people, so we're gonna drill all these rivets out and get rid of these base plates. Yeah, we've got the floor out already. We're gonna have to get it all shop vacked out. It's just full of a lot of debris and everything. We'll get it all cleaned up. Get all the junk out of here. The motor's almost ready to come off. Just one more bolt left. Got these loosened up. So I got a 50 Merc on here. What I've actually done is I've actually installed the carburetors off a 60 and the reed plates from a 60. Rebuilt the carbs, new kits and all that. Pulled the oil injection system bottle off and the oil pump down there. It was down there. Got the block off cap on it now. The gear is out of there. Yeah, new fuel filter. It runs really good. Rebuilt the starter. Yeah, I have to mix my gas now, but yeah, it's all ready to pull. Just one more bolt on the transom. We're gonna get off on the stand next. So this was what we had for controls before. Someone made this nice box out of aluminum, but it's just too bulky. It was hitting your right leg, right? And it wasn't very comfortable to sit there. So I got a side mount. The side mount box is maybe that thick, right? So he's losing all that. So, and this one was getting pretty stiff too. Cables were shot in it, and the harness isn't that pretty. So it replaces the harness here and all that. And yeah, we're gonna clean up the side console, get it back in there after it's painted. We're gonna paint the whole boat. Haven't decided if we're gonna just do one color or if we're gonna do some camo on the sides maybe. Thinking about camo. Got some stencils ready for it, so that'll be kind of cool. We'll see how it goes. Might beef out the transom. We'll see. It's only a 60, 50, 60, you know, but like the problem is right there. That's the weak spot, right? They didn't bring the thickness of the transom all the way down to the bottom of the boat for some reason. They stopped right there where your engine mounts to, but this thin little bit, there's only one support here. This whole section, there's no other supports really, you know. That tiny little section maybe there, but it's like nothing, right? So probably throw a thicker aluminum plate on the back before we mount the motor back on, just so it's not flexing when we take off every single time. So that's it. We'll do some more update videos. Someone's done some repairs on this thing in the past. Right here, this has been welded on and the paint doesn't match. That side too. Yeah, so we'll get this thing lifted off and we'll keep you posted on some future videos. Yeah, hopefully this is interesting to some people. We'll get the floors all back in eventually too. And we're not gonna go crazy like some people do with our John Boat builds that you see online, but we're just gonna keep it basic, functional, just go fishing kind of thing, right? I don't have a whole lot of time to work on it, so we're just gonna do a quick one on it. Try to make it look nice at least though, and you know, get it sanded at least before we paint, and yeah, get it back on the water, hopefully for the fall salmon season, and we'll get to the river with it.